Number 1. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, dependable 4x4 truck with a clean title and a strong history as an Oregon vehicle. Finished in white with a tan interior, it has traveled 230,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features rear-wheel drive with four-wheel drive capability, making it versatile for a range of driving conditions. Recently, a number of maintenance items have been completed to ensure continued performance and drivability. These include new spark plugs and spark plug wires, an engine oil and filter change, a new air filter, a four-wheel alignment, and replacements for several steering components, including the idler arm bushings, idler arm, inner tie rods, pitman arm, and tie rod ends. While the truck shows some typical signs of age, such as minor paint fading, it remains a strong and capable vehicle, ready for work or everyday use. Number 2. 1973 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. With only 88,000 miles on the odometer, it features an automatic transmission paired with a strong-running 350 V8 engine. The motor is equipped with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, electric choke, and an HEI distributor, ensuring smooth starts and solid performance. The Turbo 350 automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, contributing to the truck's smooth and straight driving experience. It's finished in a clean white exterior with a tan interior, both of which present well for the truck's age. The truck sits on brand new Cooper Cobra tires mounted on sharp-looking 15x8 rally wheels, enhancing both its classic appearance and ride quality. All gauges are fully functional, and both the interior and exterior lighting systems operate as they should. The air conditioning was blowing ice cold and just needs a can of R12 to return to peak performance. The tinted windows add a touch of modern comfort, and the doors open and close properly, showing the truck's solid structure. Number 3. 1991 GMC Sonoma, price $5,000, dependable two-owner truck with 178,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine, it has been well maintained and runs strong and reliably. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck retains much of its original charm and even comes with the original window sticker. Recently, several key components were updated in mid-July, including a new distributor, fuel pump, and fuel sending unit. It also sits on newer tires, ready to hit the road without concern. The frame is in immaculate condition, showing only minor body rust. While the air conditioning system does blow air, it currently needs servicing as it only produces hot air. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1985 Ford F250, price $7,500, finished in gray with a red interior. This truck is powered by a 302 EFI V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, a swap from the original AOD automatic, which was replaced with an M5OD transmission from a 1992 F150. All parts used in the swap are factory components, and the upgrade includes a brand new clutch and flywheel. As a Lariat trim, it comes equipped with power windows, power locks, and other premium options from the factory, although it does not have cruise control. The factory air conditioning is fully functional, adding comfort to its performance. It also features a DJM rear axle flip kit and a cut front coil spring, giving the truck a lowered stance. Additionally, the fuel tank and sending unit have been recently replaced. Number 5. 1983 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, well-preserved, rust-free California truck that has been garage-kept and carefully maintained. It's currently titled as a Pennsylvania antique and shows 108,140 miles on the body. The truck runs exceptionally well, just 2 pumps and it fires right up without hesitation. It features power windows and power locks, offering both classic charm and modern convenience. The interior is nearly complete, with the only remaining component being the carpet, which is already on its way. The truck is used sparingly and only on nice weekends or for occasional 20-minute drives to work when the weather is good. It has never been driven in the rain, reflecting the owner's dedication to its upkeep. Number 6. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500. It's powered by the legendary 5.7L V8 engine, known for its strength and reliability, and comes equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission that was rebuilt at 100,000 miles. This 2WD model features an 8-foot bed complete with a bed liner, making it perfect for hauling and work duties. Both the exterior and interior are finished in gray, and the truck offers power windows and power locks for added convenience. The stock radio has been upgraded with Bluetooth functionality, providing modern connectivity while retaining its classic feel. It rides on brand new tires and has just passed a fresh inspection and emissions test. Additional highlights include recently serviced brakes, ice-cold air conditioning for the summer, and strong heat for colder days. Number 7. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,700. With only 86,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and is currently used as a reliable daily driver. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 355 small-block Chevy engine paired with a smooth 700R4 automatic transmission, offering a great balance of power and drivability. The truck features a long bed, making it practical for hauling or utility use, while the clean white exterior gives it a timeless, classic look. It's been lowered for a more aggressive stance and enhanced street presence, sitting on a nice set of tires that complement its overall aesthetic and handling. Running on gasoline, this truck offers a comfortable ride and turns heads with its subtle custom touches. Number 8. 1987 Ford Ranger, price $5,500. This truck is a 2WD extended cab model equipped with an automatic transmission. It was purchased from an elderly neighbor who had recently passed away. The truck had been rarely driven and has clearly been well cared for over the years. It starts and runs, but will need the fuel tubes replaced, a repair that is likely simple and inexpensive. Both the body and interior are in good condition considering the vehicle's age, showing minimal wear. It comes with a clean title, making it an excellent candidate for someone looking for a solid classic truck with only minor work needed to be road ready. Number 9. 1975 Ford F250, price $7,000. This pickup is a strong and dependable classic truck with 102,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in blue both inside and out, it features a clean and straight body with no rust, only light surface rust where the paint has worn from minor scratches. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong-running 460 V8 engine paired with a reliable C6 automatic transmission. This gasoline-powered truck drives very nicely and has been well cared for by its current owner for over 11 years. It comes with a clear and clean title, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a solid vintage workhorse or a classic daily driver. Number 10. 1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It features a brown exterior paired with a burgundy interior, and is powered by a 350 small-block Chevy V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor, mated to a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The truck comes equipped with power windows, power locks, a tilt steering column, and a factory air conditioning cab. A bed liner has been installed, and remarkably, the body is completely rust-free. The dashboard is in perfect condition with no cracks, a rare find for its age. The current owner recently restored many original factory details, replacing a number of old and unattractive modifications with proper OEM parts taken from parts trucks. These include the headlight bezels, seat, carpet, seat belts, and buckles, all of which contribute to returning the truck to its original, stock appearance. While the truck starts and idles well, it still requires some mechanical attention.